chicken fraan-chay-zee with salted egg yolk sauce.
Hello everyone, welcome to Blue's Kitchen. This is Jonathan Cruz and I'm back here with another video. So for this video, I will be preparing main course, which is the chicken fraan-chay-zee with salted egg yolk sauce. So, let's start.
For the stock, in a pot, combine chicken breastbone, onion, carrots, celery, garlic, spring onion, water, and finally salt and pepper. Cover and let simmer for an hour. Once boiling, add bay leaf. After an hour, turn off the stove. Then transfer to a bowl. Then set aside. For the fried chicken, when in chicken breast fillet, this is marinated in garlic powder, calamansi, and pepper. Flour, beaten egg, mixed veggies for garnish, butter, lemon, and salt and pepper. First, we need to season the chicken fillet with pepper and salt. Put in a beaten egg, then in a flour, then with egg again, and finally with the flour again. Then make the same process for the rest. And now we're ready for frying. First, we need to braise the lemon. Then add the breaded chicken fillet. Remove the lemon and set aside. Fry the chicken until golden brown. Add butter. Fry the mixed veggies for garnish. Remove the mixed veggies and set aside. Remove the chicken and set aside. And for the salted egg yolk sauce, put a small amount of oil, add butter, garlic, then add the salted egg yolk, add green pepper, add 1/4 cup of stock, add all-purpose cream, then stir. Then add salt and pepper. Stir and let simmer for about a minute. Then turn off the heat and transfer to a small bowl. And it's time for garnishing. I put a small amount of sauce at the side, then I cut the chicken fillet in strips. I put the chicken over the sauce. Garnish with lemon and braised mixed veggies. Top with blue ternate flour. Add spring onion. Then a spoon of sauce over the chicken. Then top with sliced onion and spring onion. And it's time for serving. Chicken Francese with salted egg yolk sauce.
And it's time for tasting. Once again, this is John on the cruise, and thank you for watching.